Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Curtis with Fossil Crates, and I'm super excited because Jacob Jett and the crew up in Colorado where they make these items shipped me something I don't know what's in it. And it's a different size box than normal. So I don't know what to expect at all. So let's go ahead and find out. Open the box. Really nice boxes we use. Take out some of the peanuts. We've got some packaging here. What do we got? I don't know. Let's find out. This feels like a base. Well, let's go ahead and see what's in the base. We'll get to the base here in a moment. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to use some care here because there's some tiny skull. Let's see what it is. Careful when you open this one. Jeez Louise, this is great. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, do you know what this is? This is a Compsognathus, a Compy. If you ever wonder what a Compy skull looks like, well, here is a Compy skull. Incredible. Now, this is a sculpt of the Compsognathus skull. We did not scan this one yet, but what you can see is there's an extraordinary, detailed, exquisitely made Compsognathus longipes, and I may have said the species name wrong. I believe it's out of Germany. Check it out. The beautifully large sclerotic ring. These are in the eyeball. Yep, these things had bones in their eyeballs. How weird is that? And you've got the adorable, sharp little teeth. And because you want to display it, an amazing stand. So there's a little hole in here somewhere. Oops, I missed. There it is. And that is Compsognathus. Boom. This is the smallest skull we offer so far. And it's got to be one of the cutest. Well, thank you, Jacob, and the entire Colorado team. I have been wanting to know what this looked like for a long time, and I was not expecting this today. So you've absolutely made my day. So thank all of you for watching, and thank you kindly. I'm Dr. Brian Curtis with Fossil Crates. Adios.